Malik.
He's first got to decide, does he want pace or spin? Look at the both batsmen and think, which is it? This is a big over for both teams, but in particular for England.
Makes room. Oh, how did that miss the stumps? Quicker, faster, almost bowled him.
This is moving Pakistan's way.
He'll try again, Saeed Ajmal. Goes flat, picks it off his wrist, on the bounce to the man in the deep. They come back for the second. This is brilliant running. A loopy throw back to the keeper that allowed the batsman to take the risk of the second one. Rahman is in as a 12th man.
It's 2 a ball now. Last 10 deliveries, England need 20. And it's Junaid Khan who's warming up.
Times it well, deep cover in place. Oh! It was flat and hard. Saeed Ajmal didn't like the egg from the field. Asking him to just slow down. He did not. It's the debutant with a flat return, and he was right in targeting the stumps, because it could have been a close thing for Bairstow.
Well, it's a scramble now for England. Saeed Ajmal, as usual, giving it everything. 19 from 9 deliveries, 3 more deliveries from Ajmal.
That's a dot ball, precious, very precious. Trying the reverse swan, missed it completely. The loud gets louder, the noise gets louder, the faces get longer. Misses the ball again. Now this is brilliant stuff from Saeed Ajmal. 2 dot deliveries, and the required grade has jumped to 16.29.
19 from 7 deliveries, the precious. You've got to admire the captaincy. It might be straightforward, keep your best bowlers, but Junaid Khan, the young kid, has got to bowl the last over.
Down the track, misses the ball, the thickest leg by, but quite a bit of damage done by Saeed Ajmal there. 127 for 6 after 19 overs, 18 to win of just 6 balls, England.
It's a game changer. It's a wonderful piece of bowling. Just look at these figures. Umar Gul, 4 overs, 1 maiden, 3 for 18. Saeed Ajmal bowling the 3 overs at the end there, 4 overs, none for 26. But we've got Junaid Khan comes in.